Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sue with Homesteading with Sue, and today I'm going to teach you how to make sourdough soft pretzels. So first off, I have a teaspoon of honey, that's the word I'm looking for, in the container. I need a cup and a half of water. It's a half a cup, so I need 3. And I need a 1.5 teaspoon of salt. This is a teaspoon, so I'm going to use 1.5 of them. Then I need a cup and a half of sourdough starter, and again, this is a half a cup. I'm going to go ahead and stir this around. Let me get this off the table so I don't spill it. All right, so this is 4 1/4 cups of flour minus a half a cup for the flouring of the table. Put the rest in there. Stir it together. It will be tacky. When we get it all mixed together, we will put it on the table and knead it for 5 minutes or until it's smooth and workable. Use this to get some more of the flour off the sides. Okay, so now I am going to actually get the cooking spray so I can spray this bowl. Hopefully it's a big enough bowl. And of course I washed my hands before I got started. I'll spread some of this out. We're going to knead it. I'm going to put some of this flour on my hand. Whoops, not quite that much. And after we're done kneading it, we are going to put it in a warm spot, covered with a light towel for 2 hours. I'm going to put some more down, I think. Now I'm going to shape it into a ball. And put it in this bowl. And we're going to cover it, and I will be back in 2 hours to show you what it looks like. Okay, so it has been 2 hours that this has been rising. Now we deflate the dough. Okay, and then I already have a pot of boiling water on, and it takes 1/3 of a cup of baking soda. Yeah, baking soda in the water. And then what we will want to do is we want to put the dough onto a floured surface. We want to cut it in 8 equal portions, which will probably never happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in 4s or in half. And then I will cut each half in 4s. Okay, so I'm going to put the other half back into the bowl for right now because it's in my way. And then we are going to roll these into 2-foot rolls. Shape the defeat. Okay. Make into 8 portions. Dust the flour. Roll each portion into 2-foot long I'm going to put a little bit of flour on them. And then we'll make it into a U. And I already have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. And then we'll make it into a pretzel shape, like that. Again, we're going to make it into a U. Make it into a pretzel shape. Then we will want to already did this, it's all we know the baking soda. Then we want to cook 2 or 3 at a time, dropping the pretzels into the hot water. Once they float, oh, that was hot, and come out, we will want to sprinkle with the salt, which isn't the actual pretzel salt. I'm just going to use regular pink salt for it. Once they start to float, we will pull them out. And then we will, once they come out of the oven, we will, after they cook for 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, we will bring them out and we will melt some butter and put them over the top of the pretzels. Now, I did not think this very clearly. Gonna put some salt over the top. And then we'll do the next 2. Put them in the water. I don't like how this one looks. I'm going to redo it. not very pretty. Oh, this one completely apart. Okay, now I'm going to put them in the oven for 8 minutes. All right, I will be back when they come out of the oven. All right, so actually I missed a step. You're actually supposed to, after the first 8 minutes, you're supposed to rotate your pan and then cook for another 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown. All right, so my pretzels really don't look like pretzels, but they're too hot to taste to see if they're done, so hopefully they are. I ended up cooking them for like 8 minutes, and then I cooked them for another 12, just in case, when I turn them back on. And if I can get them off of this paper, they'll be great. Ooh, they're hot. And I buttered them and put them back in for like 4 minutes to brown them. Alexa, turn off timer, please. So let's see how the other ones are doing. If I need to turn them back on. I think I need to brown them just a little bit more, so I'm going to stick them in for like another 3 minutes. They're crunchy. At least that one is. Wow, they do taste like a pretzel. I'm impressed. They don't look like a pretzel because I didn't wrap them correctly. This one does. He looks like a good pretzel. But that tastes really good. So I got a total of 8. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.